Hello everyone, welcome to my fourth lecture of C++ programming. In this lecture we will gonna talk about data types and operators in C++, so without wasting any more time let's get started. The data type specifies the size and type of information the variable will store. Int stores whole numbers, without decimals. We use int when you need to store a whole number without decimals, like 35 or 1000, and float or double when you need a floating point number, with decimals, like 9.99 or 3.14515. A floating point number can also be a scientific number with an e to indicate the power of 10. Float stores fractional numbers, containing one or more decimals. Sufficient for storing 7 decimal digits. Double stores fractional numbers, containing one or more decimals. Sufficient for storing 15 decimal digits. Boolean stores true or false values. A Boolean data type is declared with the bool keyword and can only take the values true or false. When the value is returned, true equals 1 and false equals 0. Char stores a single character, letter, number, or ASCII values. The char data type is used to store a single character. The character must be surrounded by single quotes, like A or C. Alternatively, you can use ASCII values to display certain characters. String the string type is used to store a sequence of characters, text. This is not a built-in type, but it behaves like one in its most basic usage. String values must be surrounded by double quotes. To use strings, you must include an additional header file in the source code, the library. C++ operators. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. In the example below, we use the AND operator to add together two values. Although the AND operator is often used to add together two values, like in the example above, it can also be used to add together a variable and a value, or a variable and another variable. C++ divides the operators into the following groups: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators. Addition adds together two values. Subtraction subtracts one value from another. Multiplication multiplies two values. Division divides one value by another. Modulus returns the division remainder. Increment increases the value of a variable by 1. Decrement decreases the value of a variable by 1. This was enough for today. If you enjoy my video then like it, and you can subscribe my YouTube channel for latest videos. And join my Facebook group, Real Coder, also for latest post, news, videos, and links. There is also my blog, www.freecourses20-21.blogspot.com, in which you can get paid courses for free. Thanks for watching.